You can expect a lot from the 2016 Jeep Compass. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front fog lights, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.